How to become a digital creator on Facebook. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, launch your Facebook application. Then get logged into your Facebook account. Tap onto your profile page on your top right-hand side, then you'll see a menu. In order to turn your profile to a digital creator, tap onto your name, and under Edit Profile, tap on the three-dot icon. Scroll below, then you'll see Turn on Professional Mode at the below option. You have to simply tap on Turn on Professional Mode, and likewise turn on again. And after a couple seconds, your Facebook personal account will be turned on to a digital creator. Tap on Next here. You can also choose your audience. In my case, I'm gonna go ahead with public because this is suggested by Facebook. Repeat the same process that you see on your screen. And likewise, now this is your professional dashboard. Once again, let's go ahead and tap onto our menu page. Tap onto your username, and then you will see professional dashboard. And just like so, this is how you know that you have a digital creator account. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.